क्या स्टार्ट करना है तुम करो.
Welcome to another vlog. It's a SHAADI vlog and it's already off to a really chaotic start. I don't have a manja outfit, manja haldi. I don't have a wedding outfit. And for the walima, I'm wearing my old gharara that I wore for my reception. So that's fine. Salman placed an order for his suit and that's like the date got delayed. So that's not here. So we're going to the mall to get something for him.
And also मांझा. मांझा के लिए भी तो लेना है कुछ.
Basically, you don't have all three outfits.
Yes. Nothing.
That's great.
And अभी फल्ली अपना वॉलेट भी या पर्स जो
My bag, like I left my bag.
और हम घर वापस जा रहे थे उसने मना कर दिया. नहीं हम नहीं जाएंगे, हम ऊपर ही नहीं जाएंगे. And she was like, I'll buy a new one.
If I find like a cute bag, because now my outfit is just like not an outfit because I don't have my bag with me. If you know, you know. Basically, like 2 weeks ago, we decided that we want to go on a Bali trip because we missed it so much. And my birthday is coming up, and I've never been on like a birthday trip. I don't think I'm like a huge birthday person, am I? Like, मतलब अपनी birthday में I don't do like I've always wanted to do something special, but nothing ever happens because I just have like 2-3 friends. तो मतलब उसमें क्या ही करेंगे. Bali trip is right after the wedding. Like the next night we're going on a flight. So उसकी भी साथ packing करनी है. Good luck.
Good luck to us.
Haircuts before Bali and the wedding. I haven't had a haircut in months, so I'm just gonna get like my curtain bangs cut again because these aren't even bangs anymore. Face framing, which I like, and hopefully I'll keep the length the same. I don't want to go short.
मत बनाओ. लड़के भी करते हैं. क्या है? बदतमीजी मत करो. मजाक उड़ा रही.
Do you like your haircut? You look so good.
Thank you.
Like, how did you lose like 2 kilos by just getting a haircut?
It's just 2 kilos of hair on my head.
Okay, it's day 3 of the vlog. I think most of it has just been me sitting in the car speaking because it's just been so hectic at home. My suit from Malmal did not arrive, the one that I wanted, but they were nice enough to be like, you can go to the store and just get whatever you like, something else. So we're doing that right now. We're going to their store and hopefully I'll find something for the first function. And then we need something for Salman. He's just been chilling at home and I'm like, what are you wearing during the wedding? And he's like, hai to.
अरे कुछ भी पहन लेंगे.
And I'm like, वो क्या? And then कुछ नहीं है. There's nothing.
ये लड़कों में चलता है.
क्या चलता है? तुम कैसे पहुंच जाओगे?
लड़के कुछ भी पहन ले अच्छे लगते हैं.
I had no time to do like a fit check at home, but this suit, I got this suit from Siab, which is the store in Mumbai. They also have a website. Most of my suits now are from them, like the Pakistani style ones, because their delivery is super fast. And the most important thing is that they come stitched. There's no hassle of like going to a tailor. देन मेरा वीडियो लेना है भूलना नहीं. एंड देन मुंह बना रहा है. एंड देन सलमान के लिए शादी के लिए कुछ लेना है, कुर्ता।
बहुत है यार।
नहा के आया करो प्लीज सलमान। Only our broadcast knows, but we are going to
coldplay.
Salman's birthday present from me.
And that is the best birthday present या gift anyone can give. It's like crazy.
I don't know how I did it. I don't know how I did it. It's so bad that he was like trying to get tickets even though I had tickets already. But पूरा surprise ruin हो जाता है if I told him then and not on his birthday. जब ऐसी शॉट्स ली जाती ना उसको स्टेबल रखा जाता है।
हमारा iPhone 16 है
Yeah,
तो उसमें स्टेबल अपने आप ही हो जाएगा वो।
आर्ट दिखा रहे हैं आर्ट। कहाँ पे?
हलवासिया में।
चलो।
हलवासिया नहीं है ये।
फिर?
हलवासिया उधर है।
तो फिर?
अरे इसका नाम
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
समझो ऐसे ही लगेगा जैसे ये पैंट है।
पर आई थिंक शलवार इसीलिए अच्छी लगेगी। पकड़ो।
चंदेरी
देखा?
3480।
ए कहाँ जा रही तू?
हो गया।
अब हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा दिन गया आज का और ये इनकी चाल है जब ये खुश होती हैं। अपनी फेवरेट ड्रिंक पी रही है इसलिए ऐसे खुश हो, टेढ़ा टेढ़ा चल रही है। कितनी खुश है। सामान भी मिल गया अच्छा और सब कुछ हो गया। एंड हम लोग अभी एक जगह ये ड्रिंक रॉयल कैफ़े में खा पी रहे थे तो वहाँ पे बगल में एक रेमंड था ना, रेमंड से एक लड़की आई बाहर एंड शी वाज लाइक यू फरीन राइट एंड शी वाज लाइक यू सलमान राइट। हम लोगों ने कहा यस एंड वो इतनी स्वीट थी। फिर वो हम लोग को स्टोर के अंदर ले गई और फिर उस हाँ she always gets very awkward when her fans or people who know her or follow her meet her. She's like
My friends, because they're like
Yeah.
online friends.
But anyways she was also saying like I can't believe that I am seeing you both like in real life and that was
Yeah,
like
and
actually
the funny thing is she told me her username and I recognized it. Like I know she comments a lot on my pictures and we talk on DMs and it was so cool to meet her.
रफी क्या रखा है तुम्हारे?
Okay, I tried on the outfit. This is what it looks like. Not sure what I'm doing about the hair and jewelry. I'm just gonna wing everything this time. So. And here.
आज मैं बहुत रोई और आज मैंने बहुत दिमाग खराब किया। ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है हमेशा जैसे।
I had a tiny breakdown.
टाइनी नहीं, बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक डाउन था।
About how I just don't feel like I'm being a good enough adult, which is very weird. I've never like, you know, when you're a kid or you're a teenager, you never feel like you're not a good enough kid or a good enough teenager. At least I didn't. But bade okay, like the more responsibilities I have and I can't handle them, I'm so hard on myself. And then हम corona आ जाता है because I just can't do all of it together. Anyway, this is the outfit I went to get yesterday and we are off to my sister's house for the panja. क्या ले हम?
बनवा हम तो ये और ये मिक्स करवाए थे।
हाँ ठीक है।
लेकिन ये हमें कभी पसंद नहीं है।
ठीक है आप बना दीजिए।
इसी में ये इसको मिक्स करना है।
सब मिक्स कर दीजिए।
सब मिक्स।
हाँ।
पेट भरने वाला है।
कहाँ है?
अबे ये है तो।
One function down, 2 to go. Earrings are off. लोग के घर की शादियों में ऐसा कुछ होता
बहुत
नहीं
सिंपल
है.
होती है.
You just go there, you take pictures, you talk to people, and
You
you
eat food.
and that's it. Like बस.
पेट खराब
वो तुम्हारी that's a you problem.
नहीं, पहली बार हुआ है.
खिड़की खोल दी है because Salman just farted in the car. We are going to the hotel now for the actual barat. हम लोग यहीं पर चल रहे थे जब हम लोग की नई नई शादी हुई थी. हम लोग किस हॉल में हुई थी?
सुनो, ये ले जा सकते हैं घर. ओह, जमा हुआ है.
Finally remembered to do an outfit check. This suit that I mentioned was my mom's sari and she turned it into a suit. Bag, I don't even think I need to mention it anymore. That's our west side. Stressful about it.
ये सर पे क्या रखा?
I'm chill, I'm calm. ठीक है?
इधर देख के बोलो.
I'm chill. I'm chill. Can't you see how chill I am? These are not heatless curls. I curled them with a straightener, but my curls don't last at all, so I'm just using this heatless curl thingy. Just have to try and make it I'm just gonna try and make it as straightener curls are so superior. I don't know why I stopped doing them. That's basically the only way I used to curl my hair in school. My necklace just broke off and now Salman's trying to fix it.
I always fix it. Last time also.
But this necklace is so much more important than last time's because it's one of my grandma's and ये पता नहीं कैसे टूट गया.
It's actually fixed. तार वहाँ पे बंधा हुआ था एक तार को बंडल अप करने के लिए, तो इसमें से हल्का सा वायर इतना निकला था. हमने उसको नेल कटर से काटा और उसको नेकलेस में फंसा के उसको हल्का सा घुमा दिया.
It's fixed. Also, this is my suit that I'm wearing today. The tailor kind of ruined the dupatta, honestly. Like, it doesn't look as neat, but kya kar sakte hain. So this is the jewelry. I got it from Amreli Jaipur. It's a page on Instagram and it makes the prettiest sound. And it comes with this tika, so I'm doing a tika and these earrings together. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. I just have to put on some lipstick. I'm just gonna take out these curls and I'm doing like a half up, half down kind of situation. For once I'm not running late, I'm actually on schedule. Depends on how this hair goes. Okay, ever since I've used this, I feel like there's no going back when it comes to curls because such a good job. Now I see why. Like, I still need to like run my hands through it and like brush it, but I'm gonna do that at the end.
सर क्यों घुमाया?
कोई जिस